Well, we're at the latter stages of a block of 8 flats, which is being built on a piece of what was waste ground here in Rhyl, and there'll be a specially adapted disabled flat here as well. And we've been working successfully with GM Jones on the project. So while the bricks and mortar and the actual properties are important to us, what's also important is the added benefits that come from the money that we spend. So the more than housing bit in what we do is very important to us, and it means that when we're actually we're trying to work our contracts so that we get additional benefits for the money that we're spending, and that is always about employment, it's always about training, and it's always about hopefully some benefits to the local community as well. And we've managed to do all three successfully here on this project.
A lot of people on my college course haven't had a job like this to get stuck into and have this wide of experience so early on, so I think it's put me in a good position so far, and yeah, I've really enjoyed it. The wide range of experience I've had on different aspects of joinery, not just being stuck on the same thing every day, I just think it's really helped me.
Another key feature and a new feature for us really is that we have a small sum of money that's put aside to a community pot from this, and we've piloted it with this contract. So it's a relatively small amount of money, but basically we're looking for organisations that could benefit from that. We knew one of them pretty well anyway, the Rhyl City Strategy, and also the food bank and the great work that it does here in Rhyl is clearly, you know, it's what people need in this community. A lot of poverty here, and they're really on the front line addressing that.
But £1,000 has come at just the time. We just moved into the rugby club site, and at the moment we're in a container on the car park, but as soon as the rugby club have moved out, which is going to be sort of September, October, we own it, but we let them use it. There's a large room inside that we're going to fit out to be the permanent base of the food bank. So that's going to involve tiling, redoing the floor, shelving, buying some extra freezers, and this £1,000 is going to go towards that.